Hi everyone, this is Amy with Rextron based on the Taiwan. So all product, all the designer and manufacturer all in Taiwan, Taipei. So we have the three product line. One is a KVM solution for this one. Okay, then live demo here. You can take a look. Okay, the other one is the Pro-AV solution. It's for the many customer needs the long distance solution. So we have the video extender and the scaler all built in here. Okay, and the last one is the LED display. So come here. Last one is the large screen LED display. So this is our really new products just coming about half a year. Okay, so I think we can.
Hello, I'm the director of Rextron. Let me introduce our new product, all-in-one, 163-inch. And this is our totally new product with a very new concept. With this all-in-one, which is assembled by 3 pieces. And you can have 3 people to assemble this panel in 1 hour. So it's very easy to do the installation. And you can see we built in the caliber image processor. So the image quality is very good. Okay, so if you have interest, please contact Rextron. Okay, thank you.